Hi guys, welcome to Cronberry video series. Team Cronberry is all set to initiate an informative series that will help you in understanding every feature in a more defined manner. So let's get started. This video is on dashboard introduction and audience feature. Very first thing you need to do is go to the Cronberry homepage, cronberry.com. Then log in with your username and credentials. Tap sign in. Now you will be on Cronberry dashboard. On your first login, we advise you to please add Cronberry web app to your desktop. It will not only keep you updated all the time, but will also save your hassle for login logout every time. It is also advisable that you add this application only on your personal computer or laptop. On the top right, you can see the total assigned MAU and remaining MAU according to your plan. MAU means monthly active users. Now you will be seeing some campaigning options here. What would you like to do today? You want to send push notification to your leads, want to schedule SMS campaign, email campaign or in-app notification. Just use it. Moving on below, you can see a quick date-wise report of your all sent campaigns through graphical representation. Number of emails you have sent, total percentage of delivered emails and percentage of open emails, percentage of clicks on your link you have shared in email, percentage of bounce emails and spam reports. In short, you can see all the analyticals of your marketing campaign over here. Similarly, you can check status report of SMS, push and in-app campaigns. You can see all the collected leads. Here is the option to change the date as well. Suppose you need to check with the last 30 days, 7 days or last month states. You can do so and thus your graphs will change accordingly. If you want to check source-wise lead collection like Excel upload leads, IndiaMart, Google Form, Shopify, Facebook leads, you can select. Let's check the audience feature. Here on audience report, you can check date-wise your all sources lead report in one place. This is easy access of your marketing team performance by their names and how many leads they have, raw, no answer, not interested, call follow-up, hot follow-up, demo schedule and so on. You can change these titles according to your business requirement. If you want to get a detailed check on your hot follow-up leads, just click on the number. Here are 8 hot leads and here are result with the date range and user information. Now here you can see detailed information about your hot leads with their name, email, phone number. If you want to send email to this single lead, just click on the email address and you can send from here. We have WhatsApp messaging option as well. You need to just start with your WhatsApp and can get started with WhatsApp automation. Further, you can see the lead updated date, source, and for more on audience profile, click on the I button. Here you will see all information in the form of value and parameters that you can change as per your business need. Basically, we need to name our value and parameters according to what sort of data we are going to collect. Next, lead status is a record of all follow-up actions on the particular lead. Every time you are talking to your customer, you can keep a note about that and can check who is dealing with the client, last date and time of follow-up. Click submit to save your changes. There is one more option to quickly escalate or assign leads to other users. We will click on the I button of any lead you want to escalate. Select lead status and write your non-editable remark and move further down to the telecaller name. As we see, the current telecaller is Nisha and we want to assign it to Gaurav now. So just select Gaurav and submit. This lead is now visible in Gaurav's dashboard. Simple and quick, isn't it? Also, you can check the call history of every telecaller. For that, you need to have a Cronberry Assist app in Telecaller Mobile. In our coming videos, we will learn more about it. Now come on View audience. This is your lead bank. If you want to remove some unwanted lead, you can just select and hit delete. Also, you can navigate more options as well that are available in manage leads. Suppose you want to update your particular lead status. Then go on edit option and make changes. Here you can change in sequence and can highlight dot color for more quick understanding. You can change lead type with more editing options. Click on update to save the changes. Next is the reassign feature. It allows you to change lead assignment based on a particular lead source and its attributes. With this option, you can easily reassign or transfer lead to any telecaller even if that telecaller has not been assigned to work on that source. For this, we'll click on reassign. Select lead source. For example, I am selecting Facebook leads and I want to transfer my hot follow-up leads to different telecaller. Hence, I will select lead status as attribute. Now in the search box, you will see three options: contains, in, not in. Since we want to transfer hot follow-up leads, only we will select leads in hot follow-up and click apply. The leads displayed now are all hot follow-up leads from a particular source we had selected. We also have an option to save this filter if you do this exercise frequently. Now we will select leads we want to transfer and click on reassign at the bottom. As per original permissions given for this source, we will see the user names accordingly. But if we want to override the permissions and assign these leads to a different caller, then click on show all user and we will get a complete user list to select from. We have option to download your leads in CSV format. It's super easy, just click and download. Now coming to the analysis part, here you can have a date-wise report of your business leads performance, wherein Cronberry allows you to make changes in your charts. Just select parameters according to the results you want to see and submit. This will definitely help you to make important decisions for your business. Perfect graphical representation is multiple charts just as you want. You want switch to pie chart presentation? Just tap and explore. Isn't so simple, quick and exactly what a business person would ever need? Get your business hand today and make things smooth. See you guys in our next video tutorial. Stay tuned.